What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a brand new video. Today I got a Tesla in the garage, but it is not mine. If you guys are paying attention to the Instagram, we actually sold our Tesla, so that is gone. The three cars that we are left with now in the garage are the Accord, the X7, and then the AT4 truck. But let's get on into today's video. All right, guys, so I got my cousin's Tesla right here. Say what's up, Vic.
It's good.
So basically, tell us what we're doing today.
I got these little things to tint my taillights.
Oh, you got these little things? All right, we're gonna use these things, guys. We're gonna put the things on those things, and we're gonna make it work. The thing, low-key, came with no directions, but basically everywhere there's kind of, I think, glass, except for the headlights. It's gonna get smoked, so let's see how this works out. All right, guys, so first thing first, we're gonna do this little reflector back here. So we line this up, this lines up, that goes there, nice and easy. First thing first, what we're gonna do is I got some, what is this? Adams Polishes Glass Cleaner. It's gonna do the trick. We're gonna clean off this surface right here so that it makes it easy for contact, no dirt or anything. And we'll see how it lines up. All right, guys, we got this side all squared away. So it looks really good. If you compare it right there to the other side, nice red bright, nice smoked out look. So if you come over here, look to this side, yeah, definitely liking the smoked look a lot better. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. All right, time to get this side done, and here it is, nice and tinted. Let's get to these next. Look at my boy Vic putting in work, making sure it's all clean. That's how you guys gotta do it. All right, guys, we hit a good progress point, I guess. So here's this side all done. You can kind of see it right there. And this side right here. So for the most part, this is a dry application. I've used hair dryer here and there. But for the most part, it's made a little bit bigger, so I will get a blade later on and clean it up, as well as I'm gonna let the owner actually take it out, be in the sun for a little bit, let it cook, let some of these little bubbles come out, and then whatever doesn't come out, I will definitely go back and get out afterwards. But just wanted to show you guys progress. This kit was definitely worth it. I will be putting it down in the link below. All right, guys, so just a little tip. So now we're gonna work on this section right here. What we're gonna do is actually open up the trunk so that we can kind of get closer view on this side. And what the? Hit my boy up. He out here smuggling textbooks. Hit him up. What y'all need? I'll put his Instagram down in the description below. Hey, let him know what y'all need. What y'all need. Let him know. All right, there we have it, guys. So now everything in the back section is done, and now we will move on to the